Hi, I'm Nathan from Hamaroo. Hamaroo is a custom timber furniture manufacturer, as well as our product range of resins, pigments, sanders, abrasives. So I started it in May 2019, so it's been about 2 years now, a bit over 2 years. So started basically with timber work when I was old enough to hold a hammer. We were always mucking around in Granddad's shed, nailing bits of wood together. Dad was always into metal work, bikes, cars, things like that. Tried welding, wasn't really for me. Went through school doing the woodwork classes. Then we bought the house here, started getting back into the tools, do renovations on the house, and then got back into the workshop and making furniture. Did the first probably 18 months by myself, built it up very, very slowly as a part-time job. Been working with Wilak for about 8 months now. Over that time we've increased sales by about 1,040%. It's enabled me to quit my full-time job and then move on to Hamaroo full-time. So I frequently see all my ads popping up on my own Facebook and Instagram. I'm getting comment from my friends and family that they're all seeing them as well. So it's really getting my brand out there. So after being with Wilak, we now have about 5 times the amount of products range on our shelves. So that's increased our offering tremendously. To any small, medium, large business that's looking to increase their sales, especially towards that e-commerce side, they've been really helpful in trying to promote and push the sales of any products that I have. Wilak's definitely a long-term investment on my behalf, so I won't be going anywhere.